here it is. It's from Amazon. We're going to open this bad boy. Mescomb in 5-in-1 interchangeable styler, high-speed brushless motor, high-speed hair dry brush. So we're going to open this one. So excited. So wala ko'y budget pang Dyson. Ta-da! Here is the comes with like a glove. All right, so let's try it. The hair dryer.
Chardonnay that I bought for our picnic day, and we never got to drink it. So I'm writing what I'm thinking. You could have told me sooner. I was sure that it was me. You used to want to hold me close. You used to want all of me. What's the reason?
Oh, now unplug. I'm going to try the brush. What's this brush? Oh, we have the straight thin brush. And we also have the volumized brush. And then we have the left and right curler. Auto wrap hair curls. So we're going to try this one maybe later after I take my bath. And yeah, I'm so happy. What else are in bag? Yeah, we'll put Chupi. Here we go.